Y'all, look at all these clothes on this chair. And look who laying in the middle of them. Mary Jane. Mary Jane, like, leave me alone. There she go. Look at Mary Jane. Mary Jane slept there all night, y'all. Mary Jane love to sleep on your clothes and stuff. And then look, I got a whole basket right there. So y'all know, honey, we finna have a good old time folding clothes, right? I hope y'all ready. Go and get your stuff together, honey. Cause I need your help and I'm here to help you too, okay? What up, family? Alright, y'all, so this is gonna be the folding clothes vlog. I got a blanket back here in my washing machine that I need to get in the dryer. And then we're gonna go in here and we're gonna fold up some clothes. I don't know if I'm gonna speed it up or not, but we'll see. We will see. So I had to get this right here in the washer. This is my blanket that go on my bed. And I'm about done with the last of my washing. But y'all, I'm like this. When I wash stuff, I like for nothing to be dirty in the house. And so I told y'all I use I told y'all I change towels every day, change clothes a couple times a day, change my rags every day. And so I got a few towels and rags and stuff like that I can throw in here, and then that'll complete it. Plus I got my rugs from in the bathroom that I'm gonna throw in here and wash. So anyway, I think I'm gonna just take this last little bit of towels. There's only about just three towels. And then I'm gonna just mix the little dirty clothes that we had, just regular casual clothes. I'm just gonna throw them on in the washer with it. And then my last little load is gonna be my rugs. I think I'm gonna just go through the house and I'm gonna wash all my rugs and stuff. So yeah. That's what I'm about to wash now. I don't think I got no more clothes to get, because I think I got an old big got his sweat over here on the chair. So since that's laying up here, he gets so mad with me, y'all, because I'm one of the ones, every time you leave something laying around on the floor, baby, oh, it's going straight to the dirty clothes. That means it's dirty to me. I tell him, if you don't want me to throw it in the dirty clothes, don't leave it on the floor. So, oh, that's a new rag over there, Grandma? Oh, okay. What's that? Them pants you ain't got nothing dirty in here, right? No. Oh, okay. That's it. You gonna tell the family, hey, Grandma? All right, there she go, y'all.
Hey.
She laying down in the bed. I'm just recording. That's all they don't see you right now. They'll see you another time.
Okay, chill.
Huh?
I want me some.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back in here. And I'm just about to I already got my dryer going. I'm just finna get this load going. And I love to use washing powder pods, y'all. What about y'all? I love me a pod. But reason being is because I'm so heavy-handed I'm so heavy-handed on washing powder and stuff like that, honey. I will use up some washing powder, some liquid, girl. Okay. So I have to buy me them little pods, honey. They last a long time. You only throw you about one or two in the load and keep it pushing. But yeah, so we're about to get to these clothes in here, y'all. I'm finna dump them right in the middle of the floor, and then I'm gonna separate them by who clothes it is. And go from there. Look at all them clothes. Mary Jane, it's time to get up, sugar. You don't pay no bills around here. It's time for you to move. It's time for you to move and get out the way. I think I might put me on a movie. I ain't even cleaned my room yet either, y'all. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead on and get these clothes. And start doing this here, and the room will get clean. Listen, I just gotta get started somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So I got some more clothes and stuff like that, and and another basket that I need to get. Excuse me, I told you move now. You done slept all night. Come on, get on up. So yeah, get all this here. We about to get this here together. And y'all, it might seem a little dark in here or something like that. I don't know on your end if it do or not. But I don't walk around in the house in the daytime with lights on. I don't. So, but if the video seem a little too dark, I will turn some light on. But on my so far to me, it don't look too dark. It don't look too dark.